I just didn't know that there was that many private pay out there. I thought there was the opposite. I thought it was more 85% Medicare, Medicaid, as opposed to.
Dude, every adult daycare center out there thinks the same thing. I'm coming. Like I feel like I'm trying to come into this space and help educate like not only business owners but the public, just the whole world. Like look, okay, if a home instead senior care and right at home and comfort keepers and senior helpers, and there's like 200 freaking private duty in-home care agencies. There's Brookdale's, 5-star senior living, like I mean all these massive, like they're all private pay.
Right.
Like why is adult daycare 90% Medicaid? Like they've completely missed the boat,
That's 100%. I don't understand.
I don't get it.
I'm in the Boston area, and literally all the adult days are all Medicaid.
All Medicaid. Yeah. And so like it's like I'm not trying to like the hard. I used to get frustrated because I'm like, what is wrong with you guys? But it's not that they just. I came from a different world. I got into assisted living, like. And I didn't know Medicaid or private pay or it just in my mind I was like, oh, let me create this cute little beach vibe and take care of people in the way that I want to take care of them, and it just produced private pay clientele, and these families in my small little ALF, they were spending $5,500 a month with us, right? And we're talking about a 12-bed ALF. Like we were one of the highest, and I'm not trying to brag in that sense. My only point was that we provided really good care to people, right? And so families were willing to pay for that care because we provided really good care, and they could trust, knowing that their loved one was in in good hands. And so that's when I realized, like when we realized I got into daycare, I didn't even think about Medicaid because I had already had all this like assisted living experience, right? So I didn't even realize Medicaid was a thing. And then I go to the conference and I'm like talking to people, and they're like, and they're telling me their business model, and I'm like, well, we don't do that. And this person's telling me, I'm like, am I at the wrong conference? It's the National Adult Day Services. Okay, all right, I'm at the right, it's the right hall. Okay, this is weird. Like everyone's speaking a foreign language. Like they're talking about Medicaid and this reimbursement and that. I'm like, I don't even, what are you guys talking about? Like all I know is MasterCard, Visa, and American Express. I don't even know what you're saying. So it's like, I guess I just feel like it's important to realize that 85% of seniors 65 and up, and honestly, here's the problem I foresee. As a home care agency owner myself, what's gonna happen to middle America that cannot afford $40, $50, $60 an hour for in-home care? What's gonna happen to middle America that when our assisted living prices this past year are $5,500, but 5 years from now, they're $6,500, $7,500, like a national average? How is middle America gonna afford that? And so to me, like, I feel like what's gonna happen is middle America is still not gonna get Medicaid, but they're gonna need another alternative solution that's more affordable, and that's where adult daycare comes into play. So I really am betting big on the future. I mean, I'm all in on it, like all in. Like I've put every chip into this.
Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel, click here. We'll see you guys next time.